Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 6 tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about joins clause and also learn about how to improve the performance of your Laravel application. Okay, so why we use join clause in Laravel? A join clause is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a related columns between them. There are several types of join clause used in Laravel, like inner join, left join, right join, cross join, advanced join, and subquery join. Okay, in this video, we will discuss about inner join, left join, and right join. Okay, so let's start with inner join clause. Before starting the join, just create a table in our database. For that, go to the PHP myadmin. Just click here and click on Laravel ProDB. Okay, and just create a new table. Let's say table name is users, number of column 4. Click on go. Okay, added column name here, just ID, and here name, username, user email, and user phone. Okay, ID data type int, length let's say 10, and also auto increment. Now click on go. Name should be varchar, length 100, email varchar, and length 100, phone varchar, and length let's say 50. Okay, now click on save button. Alright, now click here. Now click on post table and just click on a structure and add here more one table, one column. So just here type 1 and after body just click on go and column name user ID. Okay, data type int, length 10, and default value null. Okay, now click on save. Alright, now create a foreign key relation between users and post table. Here is a post table and here is a user table. Okay, you can see here browse. This is a user table and this is a post table. Okay, now create foreign key relation between these two tables. For that, just click on a structure of the post table. Okay, and here user ID, just select this and click on index. Okay, now click on relation view and just here select here column name, which is user ID, database is Laravel ProDB, and table is users. Okay, we relate with users and column name is ID. Okay, now save this relation. Alright, now we have two tables, users and post. Okay, both have ID column. You can see here. You can see here this is ID and in user table this is ID. Okay, both have id columns, and there is a user id in post table, you can see here. Okay, which is a foreign key for the users table. Alright, so for creating inner join, just go to the project and just click on app http controller and open post controller. Okay, now create a function for inner join. So just type here public function and function name, which is inner join clause. Okay, curly bracket is start and close. Inside this method, just type here results is equal to db colon and table name is let's say users. Okay, press enter. Now here arrow join and join with post table. Users join condition users dot id is equal to posts dot user id. Okay, now press enter and arrow sign, then select users dot name. Okay, also post dot title and here posts dot body. Okay, now arrow sign get method. Okay, and in last just return dollar results. Okay, alright, now create a route for this method. So go to the web.php file, route web.php, and inside web.php file just type here route get, and here is URI. Let's say URI is inner join. Okay, and then controller name, our controller name is post controller @ and method name, just copy this method name from here and paste here. Okay, now terminate this routes with semicolon and just save this. Now check, so go to the browser and just add here localhost colon 8000 / inner join. Okay, where is the some error unexpected equal expecting? Okay, let's check. So go to the project and check where is the problem. Okay, all right, just give here comma and this equal sign inside the single quote and pass here one more comma. Okay, now save the file and check it again, refresh the page. Okay, because there are no any records in user table, So first of all, we have to insert some users. So click here, insert, and just create some users. Let's say name Jennifer, email ID Jennifer @gmail.com, phone number, this is phone number. Add more one user, so type here John @gmail.com, and where is the phone? Okay, back to phone room. You can see here there are two users. Okay, 1 and 2 user ID and name Jennifer and John. Let's go to the post table and browse, and just add here user 1, here user 2, and also here user 3. Okay, oh, there is no user 3. Alright, so just pass here user 2. Okay, now go to the inner join URL and just press again, enter. You can see here name Jennifer, title, body, and this is the second post, third post, and fourth post. Okay, all right, now create now let's check left joins. Okay, the Laravel left join clauses returns all rows from the left table. Even if there are no matches in the right table, the result is null. Okay, from the right side table. Okay, so let's create a function for the left join. So go to the post controller and here create one more method function for the just type here public function and function name for the left join. So just type here left join clause. Okay, inside this method just type here results equal to db : table, and inside the table just type here users table name. Okay, then left join. Alright, and type here posts table name, comma, users dot id is equal to post dot user underscore id. Okay, now get this record. Alright, and in last just returns this result. So type here return results. Okay, now go to the web.php file and create a route for this method. So just type here route get, and method name URI is slash left join, then post controller method name is left join clause. Just copy here, paste here, and save the file. Now go to the browser and just type here left join. Okay, you can see the result. All records are coming from a left table, which is user table. Okay, You can see here the user 1, user 2 and user 3. Okay, alright. Now let's see right join. The Laravel right join clause returns all rows from the right table. Even if there are no matches in the left table, the result is a null from the left side. Okay, so creating a function, just go to the post controller, and here inside the post controller just create a new method for the right join. Just type here public function and right join clause. Alright, inside this method just type here results is equal to db and table name users, and here just type arrow sign and right join. Okay, inside the right join type first table name, which is posts, and here user id user dot id. Okay, then comma single quote. Inside this single quote just put here equal sign and comma, and here post dot user id. Okay, now here get method. Okay, and just return this results. Okay, now save the file and switch to the browser, and let's check right join. So type here right. Okay, before going to the browser, first of all create their routes. Okay, so just create here the routes. So just type here right join, and here is controller, post controller at the rate and method name right join clause. So paste here and finally save the file. Now go to the browser, right join and press enter. Okay, you can see here all records are coming from right table. Okay, you can see the second post, third post, and here is the fourth post. Okay, so in this way you can use the join clause in Laravel. So that's all about query join. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.